Mr. Duterte has freely admitted his role in the Davao Death Squad. He doesn't deny it. Well, now he does, but he did not before he came here. During an interview with a local news station in 2015, he admitted that he is the Davao Death Squad. And if we could play that now, please, James. This is tab
ako daw ang Death
11.
Squad.
So how do you react to that?
Tinood. Tinood na.
They say I'm the Death Squad. True. That's true. You know, Your Honors, in some ways, this case is not exactly complicated. That's not the only time Mr. Duterte admitted his role with the Death Squad. He repeated under oath that he had a Death Squad at the Blue Ribbon Committee in the Philippine Senate in 2024, about 10 years after the clip we just saw. However, in this exchange, he denied that the Death Squad included police officers in some type of apparent effort to protect them. This is tab 41.1, if you could bring it up, please. Mr. Duterte, under oath, quote, "I can make the confession now if you want. I really took care of it. But please don't involve the police. They're the ones who suffer, sir. I have a death squad, but not the police. These were gangsters." He says it again. In the same hearing, he confirms this admission. Go to the next one, please. Tab 41.1. The senator asks, quote, "So what the former president dropped earlier, that they have a death squad, was a bombshell. Whatever name it goes by, whether police or non-police. Because it looks like what we are investigating now is the instrument used for the war on drugs, which led to numerous extrajudicial killings. For the record, Mr. Chair." End quote. Mr. Duterte's response, quote, "You are correct, ma'am. You are absolutely right." End quote. It's not on a slide, but he also stated bluntly, same tab, 41.1, same hearing, quote, "My death squad, ma'am, is, of course, it is organized. That's all I can say," end quote.